How to order an album that I have already designed in another software. I'm on the home page and go to the Albums tab. Then I select the album category and the album I want to create. In the question, do you want to design your product in our online editor, I choose no because I have already designed my album in another software and I just want to order it. I choose the size I want to print, the thickness of the pages, the number of spreads I want to upload, then click Create Now. Before that, I need to show you some more information you can find in this page. Here, you can see the available colors for this collection, the pre-made designs for the cover text we offer, the available packaging options, information about the page's printing options, and shipping information. As the editor opens, I see the cover layer of the album I have selected. Up here, I can see the album's price, including any standard components. If I want to see all the available options for this particular album, I can click here and make any changes to see any possible price differences. I can make my selections now and save them for later, or continue working with my album and choose components later. I choose the cover color I want. Then, in the choice of lining, the album comes with a white lining as a standard. Here, I see the other options that are available, such as choosing to print my studio logo and the QR code linked to my social media pages on the lining. By default, the album pages have been price calculated with Fuji DP2 Luster photo paper. Here, I have the option to change the paper in another surface. I can add gilding on the sides of the album, and in the options I will also see the available colors. Packaging type. This particular album comes in a white handmade box. This is its standard packaging. But I have the option to print my logo on the box or upgrade my packaging and choose a matching case. If I choose the matching case, I also have the option to add a pad that can hold loose prints and a USB flash drive or just a USB. Below, I also select the USB flash drive I need. Above the cover, I have the layer options, where I can place the cover image, if the cover has one, or which way I want to add the names. The options I have in the layouts vary from album to album. On the top left is the Add Pictures button. I click and select Upload to upload my ready-made spreads. Then, I see the progress of uploading here on the bottom left. It is important to have my spreads numbered and in the correct order. I can do this by clicking on the two arrows button on the top left. I select file name and ascending order, so when I press the autofill button, my spreads will be placed based on the name I have given them, for example their numbering. In case I am working with a cover which contains photos, it is important to place the photo on the cover first before I use the autofill feature, because if it's blank and I hit autofill, the first file on the picture column will be placed on the cover. Usually, this is a problem as most of the times the cover image has a different file name than the spreads, for example cover, while spreads are usually numbered as 1, 2, 3, etc. I click autofill. If I want to change the order of spreads, I can move them from here. At this point, I can choose between all the available options for this album. If I have done this earlier, I just click Next to pass the steps and get to the cart. I have completed my album, but I don't want to proceed with my order yet. I'll click Save, name my project, and save it to be ordered later. If I want to continue ordering the album, I click the Add to Cart button. A pop-up window will warn me for any optional or mandatory corrections or that everything is correct with my project. Clicking on the arrow shows me what needs to be fixed. I can select Preview or Direct Page Editing to correct or add an image as needed. I give a name to my new project and proceed to the next step. At this point, I get asked if I want to add any companion albums. If I want so, the companion albums must be exact copies of the main album I have uploaded. In a future video, I will explain how you can order companion albums that are not copies of the main album. I can choose between the available sizes in the same format as the main album. I click Continue and the album is already in the cart, where I see the summary of my order so far and choose any add-ons I want to add to my companion album if I have any and complete my order. I click Continue, I see the billing and shipping information, I click Continue again, I can type any comments about my order, I choose the payment method and order confirmation, I will receive an email with my order confirmation, its number, and what it contains in detail. You have watched a video on how to upload an already designed album to the Artpoint Albums editor. In case you need any further information or assistance with our website, please contact our support team and we will be happy to help you.